All right, guys. Cheese and bread. What's your take?
Pure and simple, bread and cheese have been around for centuries. It's classic, like pizza. Bread is the stuff of life, and when you add cheese, it's just simply divine.
Divine? Nah. Cheese and bread are okay, but I'd rather have hot wings. True, Billy Bob. But think about it. Cheese on toast, grilled cheese, they've been feeding people for ages. Now, take a look at this.
Exactly. Parm Bites. Let food be thy medicine. A meal that's simple, satisfying, and has stood the test of time.
Parm Bites aren't just comfort food, they're a thrill. All that glitters is not gold, but Parm Bites certainly are. Cheese not only glitters, but glistens. Yummy. Yummy. That's one way to look at it. But think of the evolution. From cheese on bread to Parm Bites. That's progress.
Progress. Sure, but the classic simplicity of bread and cheese never goes out of style. A grilled cheese can heal any bad day.
Yeah, but Parm Bites take things to the next level. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single Parm Bite. You're both making really good points. But can anything top Parm Bites? Crispy, cheesy, garlicky perfection. No one can resist them.
True, cheese and bread are comforting, but Parm Bites, they are pure joy in every bite. They are the result of the perfect combination of flavor.
I'll admit it, Parm Bites. When in doubt, eat Parm Bites. They're a revolution. Give me liberty or give me Parm Bites. That's temptation. Yummy. So, we all agree?
Parm Bites for the win! Woo!
Well, guess what? I've got a surprise for you. Your very own plates of Parm Bites.
Wait. You had these waiting all along?
I knew it. You were just waiting for the perfect moment. Well, you have earned both. Now let's eat. You know, a debate this tasty needs actually a grand finale. Lava cakes.
Lava cakes.
Lava cakes.
Chocolate.
Smoking chocolate. Lava cakes. Chocolate lava cakes.
What a delightful afternoon. I might have to convert.